First of all, we're going to start talking about what is the opportunity velocity. Most companies are focusing more in how many opportunities they have and how many are closing, but forget something very critical, which is the speed. Pipeline velocity tells you how fast a qualified deal it's moving from open to close one stage, combining deal counts, win rates, average deal size. The other thing that I wanted to talk about is why you should care about pipeline velocity. Pipeline velocity exposes areas in your sales process where deals get stuck, helping your addresses delayed before they cost you revenue. The second thing is that enables accurate forecasting. Knowing how quickly your opportunities are moving through your pipeline helps your project's future revenue, whether creating confidence for planning and growth. And the third and last point that is important for me is that pipeline velocity drives efficiency. That means when you track velocity, you see where you can shorten your sales cycles and maximize your productivity, leading to faster wins and improved resource allocation. The next thing that I want to talk about is how important it is to have a good hygiene in your CRM when it comes to your pipeline. First, every deal sits exactly where it belongs. Pretty much stage reflects reality. Close dates are accurate and next steps are up to date, so you can follow the deal story without guessing. The second is nothing go to stale. If a deal sits on a stage longer than it's typical for your process, it gets flagged and addressed, like no ghost deals inflating your pipeline. And the last part and the best part is that if you have a good hygiene in your pipeline, in your CRM, anybody will understand your deal process. Having a good pipeline, a clean pipeline, means that any open deal have a really clear context. Forecast becomes more accurate and the leadership isn't forced to read between the lines.